This eye look is absolutely amazing. What do you think about this eye makeup? This is the beautiful look which I created, and this is the experimental look. This is bold. I have added the glitter, the blue pigments to the eye makeup, and this look absolutely amazing. So if you want to know how I created this, let's start. As always, the first important thing to have a clean canvas is to conceal. Concealing is really important as I'm showing you on the screen because concealing helps you to color correct all the pigmentation. Up next, I'm using a concealer brush to blend the concealer on my eyelids so that I have a clear canvas to work. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer because this concealer is absolutely amazing. It gives a very good coverage and easily blendable. But you can use any concealer that's available with you. You are not necessarily required to use what I'm using. Following the same step, now I'm going to use a transition shadow as always and going to buff it. I'm using a blending brush for that. The transition shadow has to be placed above the eye and start blending it gently. Blending, I'm using the back and forth motion, and I always suggest you to take a very less color in the first and build that color because it's really important in the eye makeup. If you will take so much color, it's not going to be easy for you to blend. Up next, in order to define the crease area more, I'm going to take the darker brown shadow. It's in the tint of purple, but it's actually a darker brown eyeshadow. I'm going to place right below the color where I have placed my transition shadow. So that way it's going to form the balance of colors blending into each other. And this transition has to be more darker than the one that we have used previously. Up next, same is the technique which I'm going to use, the back and forth motion for blending. And you can see how absolutely amazing the ombre it's giving. It's really important for you to understand the shape and the dimension of your eye. You have to understand which makeup suits your face. You have to understand the different attributes that how you can just be so stunning with basic look. After blending the entire color, I'm now taking the light ash brown color below the both of the two eyeshadows used previously. That way it's going to even dark out the area where we have to mark our cut crease, where we have to, cut the crease and create that beautiful eye look. As I'm showing on the screen, it's really easy. Next step is to use concealer on some concealer brush to cut the crease. And my trick always is use a little bit of concealer and mark the fold of your eye where your crease ends. That is the area where you need to cut the crease, and that's where it's going to be showing properly. And you can see it on my lids. I am cutting the crease above that fold so that my eye makeup is clearly visible. And I'm taking that concealer to make a perfect wing all the way to the outer corner. And next is to use the best part, which is to use the glitter. And I've used the glitter on the area where I have used concealer. The concealer was tacky, so glitter easily stuck onto that. Up next, I'm using the concealer again to clean up the outer part of the eye makeup to have the clean and sharp wing. This look is just giving me amazing vibes, and this is so vibrant. and goes with the theme of this current time to experiment. After that, in order to complement the upper lids with our lower lash line, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow and smudging that out with the help of a small definer brush on the lower lash line. Do not miss your lower lash line, because if you will do, your eyes will look plain from the lower section. So it has to be even. This adding this black to the lower part is just creating a beautiful definition to this eye makeup. Up next, I'm going to use the lashes and the eyeliner, and this look is completely done. Let me know your point of view in the comment section, that how do you find about this, and if you have liked it, if you have learned something, then please give me a big fat thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel and share it with your friends so that our family can grow. I am really putting my hard work, putting my efforts, and please, your considering subscription means a lot to me. Thank you very much.